3 a.m., I was suddenly overcome with this wild urge. So I got my daughter together. I was invited out and I went into the city and I saw the fireworks and it was absolutely amazing because they went off over several buildings at once. So you could see them go bang, 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 whoosh. It was amazing. I had the best time. You're all about to have your New Year's Eve, aren't you? And mine is over. So here it's 2015. Golly gosh. Isn't time just whoosh, whooshing past? There's my life. Where to go? I am so tired. We had an ice cream. A sorbet was just delicious. I had the flavour, pear and caramel. Beautiful. The topic of this video is the Clean Eating Challenge for 2015. So, 30 days in January. This is serious. 30 days. You're accountable. You commit your goals to 30 days of clean eating and exercise. Do you think you can do that for me? Let's do it together. Go on, it will be fun. Rules. I've opened a Facebook group which is public, so the link is down below and you can join that group. I want you to join the group, and each day you're going to post your food, a picture of your food. You're going to post what you do for exercise. If you want to, you can post a motivating quote. What's important here is that you are accountable. I'll also be doing other things as well as adding my posts of my food. I'll still be writing my book. So it's about all of us as a team posting what we're eating, what we're committing to with exercise as a team. Now, what I find with these type of things is that when I've done it before at about the 15-day mark, people start dropping off. This is about you not dropping off. This is about you and me doing this together. So how about it? 30 days with me, 30 days of clean eating. You want to know what clean eating is? I'm not going to give you a strict definition because this is about you deciding what suits you. You may have food intolerances or particular dietary needs. This is about you committing to your goals. You decide, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not eating any trans fats. I'm not having any refined sugar, no added sugar. I'm going to have generally low GI and less processed food. Now, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have one meal off per week where I eat anything I like. So it's up to you whether you also want to have one meal off a week or not. That's up to you. So are you going to do this for me? Are we going to do it together? 30 days, 1st of January to the 30th of January. Join the group. There won't be any more videos about it. It's just a Facebook method. I'll be writing my book and doing other things. It's just about being accountable. And remember, at the 15-day mark, that's when you have to really start climbing up that hill. I know you can do it. So often we get pulled into eating on the run. Let's sit down and enjoy the ritual of food. Let's sit down with our family. Let's light a candle. Let's have a blessing over the food. Let's have a ritual around the food. Let's get excited about our food. Let's enjoy the act of crunching, of swallowing, of tasting, of testing, of sampling our fresh produce. And let's talk about it. Let's really explore and enjoy food. You're accountable. You post your food, post photos, ideas of recipes, but the idea is that you check in regularly. If you find you're having a bit of a tough time, post it. 30 days. Let's feel really good by the end of the 30 days. Keep going past that 15-day mark. Okay, let's finish with a little meditation about the new year. Sit down or lie down comfortably and we will begin. 2015. It's a new year. I want you to repeat to yourself the words, I am, I am. I am ready for the new year. I am releasing the past year. I am letting go of the past year, the past experiences, the past relationships. I am ready for the new year. I am ready for new challenges. I am ready for new relationships. I am right now ready. I am right now content. I am right now feeling peaceful. I understand that my present state of peace contributes to me becoming peaceful in the future. I understand that my present state of happiness contributes to me becoming happy in the future. I feel happy. I look forward to 2015. I am grateful for this moment. I release all past moments are gone. All past moments are gone. I rejoice in the opportunity of today, and with the opportunity of today will bring the dawn of tomorrow and all the opportunities of tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. I am. I understand that I control my own behavior, my own feelings, my own thoughts. I understand that I cannot control the thoughts of another or the behavior of another, and I am okay with that. I am okay with that. You are okay with that. You are okay with releasing the past year. You are okay about saying goodbye to the past. You are okay about choosing not to react to the past or anything which has occurred. You are full of compassion for everybody, especially those who have attempted to hurt you, intentionally or without intention. You are okay. You feel calm. You feel content. You are okay. You are okay. You release the past year. You let go of the past year. You feel contentment. You feel contentment and so much compassion. You hold on to nothing. There is nothing weighing you down. Nothing upon your shoulders. Did you say that there is something upon your shoulders? You're still holding something upon your shoulders? Brush it off. Brush it off. Life is so short and there's so many wonderful, wonderful experiences. I am so grateful for this opportunity to know you. I'm grateful for all the learnings of the past year. It's been amazing. And I'm so excited about the new year. And I feel very content. It is wonderful having this opportunity to speak to you at 3:15 in the morning. Are you with me with the challenge? Have a look at the link, join up. Let's do this together. And as we eat well for 30 days, let's consider our body the temple of our soul. Let's consider our mind, which holds and cradles our soul. And let's consider our spirit, our sense of belonging to belief, to cause, to being,